Okay, now we're going to talk about assessment task 3, and this is the OH&S meeting. Let's go back to, this is assessment task 3, the OH&S meeting, and you guys are going to present the hazards or risks that you've identified in the lab from the previous week. Essentially, like I said, each one of you will have tabled from the previous week the issue to discuss. I will have sent you some meeting. So we're going to have essentially we're going to you'll see this when you come to the meeting. You'll have this is new business here will arise, and we'll have everyone's points listed here and who's going to speak when. I'll be chairing it, and Kath will be taking some notes. So essentially what we would like you to do for each point you are going to discuss, we'd like you to apply and discuss how the hierarchy of control could be applied to the risk that you've identified. Like I've said previously, when you talk about elimination, substitution, isolation, etc., you might bypass a step, but you just need to step through that you've thought about eliminating it, you've thought about substituting it, you've thought about isolating it, etc., and so on. So from the meeting, I will pick 4 key issues that seem to be outstanding as an issue in the VFA hospital, and your group will from this meeting then get together, and we'll spend a bit of time after the OH&S meeting in your groups discussing what your presentation might look like. Again, the presentation will be done in 2 weeks' time, so you'll have 2 weeks to prepare as a group for your class in service about a risk that's been identified and that clearly the staff need re-education or some refreshing education about the risks that are coming up in the VFA hospital.